शहर है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का. With sincere apologies to the song, I had to rephrase it. Because हम हैं पटियाला में. The land of valor, the city of brave and spirited. So let's see, कौन बनेगा वीर और किसकी किस्मत चमकेगी इन इंडिया एडवेंचर्स. वो शो जो आपको हमेशा के लिए मुसाफिर बना देगा.
Previously in the first half of the Patiala leg, we saw 4 teams competing with each other in the very exciting pull a cart task and the skate off task. Out of the 4 teams, Ankul and Supreet were the only ones who were in serious danger of lagging far behind. Hopefully this week, they will bounce back.
Waheguru Ji da Khalsa, Waheguru Ji di Fateh. So, are the energies still soaring high?
Yes.
New day.
Yeah, new day, new adventure, new action.
Correct.
I have the results of the last task. Like we all know, the first position was Mohit and Carla. They collected in all 44 balls. On the 4th position, we have the Delhi boys.
Yes.
Ankul and Supreet. You guys collected exactly 12 balls. On the 3rd and the 2nd position. It's a very, very, very close tie. The team that has come second has collected 23 balls. And the team which has come third has collected 21 balls. On the 2nd position, we have Hemant and Agnes. But what is most commendable was Anandana doing this in half time. 21 balls. You know, that is really, really commendable. So now, let's get on with our first task for today.
Woo!
Now, it's all about competition. Today's day will decide your fate in the Patiala chapter of India Adventures. आज का दिन जो भी जीतेगा, वो जाएगा finale. We are standing at the Punjab Public School, and this school is known for tent pegging.
Tent pegging is a cavalry sport of ancient origin. It involves a rider on a galloping horse using a sword or spear to strike and pick up a target from the ground. This method was used by the cavalry to uproot the tent pegs and ultimately the tents of the sleeping enemies. It was especially popular with the cavalry regiments of Patiala.
Let's see what the next task is.
The contestants now have to participate in a derivative of the tent pegging sport in their dusters instead of riding on a horse. One of the contestants will drive a duster on a specially laid out course between the speed of 20 and 40 kilometers per hour, while the other team member will lean out of the passenger's side and with a spear in their hand try to pierce and burst the balloons attached to 2 poles. The total time given to each team will be 2 minutes. The winner will be decided on the maximum number of balloons pierced within that time period. As an advantage from the previous task, based on the rankings, the teams will go in an ascending order, which means the winner from the previous task will go last and get the maximum time to observe the other teams and strategize. If the speed falls below 20 kilometers per hour or goes over 40 kilometers while performing the task, there will be negative marking, and the number of balloons pierced during that pass will be deducted from the total number of balloons pierced.
So, Delhi boys,
Yes.
are we ready?
Yes, very much. Yes.
So, who's going to be driving and who's going to be hitting the
drive, I'll
targets?
spare.
So, guys, get ready.
Our strategy pretty simple, to go in a good speed and target as many in one shot without doing a lot of gimmicks.
fine.
हाँ हाँ चलो 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 चलो
20 seconds. Come on, go, go. Oh. 3, 2, stop. Good job, guys. Now for our mother-daughter team.
Thank you.
So I think it's going to get us to some 300 movie wala scene, and we are going to play with the spears over here. तो देखते हैं क्या होगा.
Women, ready?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, drive.
Mom, क्या है? Don't waste time. Mom.
Don't worry.
धीरे मेरे को 2 फोड़ने हैं, मतलब 20 to 40.
Yeah!
Oh shit! I lost that turn.
That was so close. Focus, Anandana. Only 30 seconds, come on. Seconds.
Yay!
Time up. Now, next up we have the Dabang guy, Hemant and Agnes.
All the best, guys.
I'm a bit nervous. I hope I don't fall out of the car.
Drive slow, she's short, so be closer to the balloons. Also on the U-turns, take a little more broader turn, low speed, speed up in initiation. That's it.
Dabang guys, are you ready? Your time starts now.
ये 20 से नीचे है.
अरे भाई उसने पाछे मार दिया. One more minute left.
Go, Agnes.
Stop. Time up.
Good job!
Okay guys, now for the last and final team. Let's get harnessed and let's get going.
I don't know, I'm pretty nervous after Agnes. Before that I was pretty confident, like it's okay, ho jayega.
The strategy as far as driving goes is not that complicated. It's just a matter of doing it well.
Mohit, Carla, ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, drive.
Come on, Carla, faster.
Carla, speed limit between 20-40. Guys, 1 minute up. Oh. She's driving really well though. I like the way she's cutting the car. Oh!
It's okay, go, you go.
It's results time. Let me tell you, the two teams that did not get the negative markings are the Delhi boys.
Wonderful.
And the mom and the daughter. Carla and Mohit. Your speed limit was below 20 in one round. In that round, you bursted just one balloon. So you get -1. Hemant and Agnes. Your speed limit was lower than 20 in the first round. You get -5. The team which is in the first place, Anandana and Manjeet, are on first position.
Oh, yes!
Thank you.
They have a total of 8 balloons which they managed to target.
Thank you.
Without any negative marking. The team which is on second position, I think God has answered your prayers. You guys are on number 2.
Wow, good job.
Now for the final 2. You got a total of 12 balloons. -5. Your score is also 7. Mohit and Carla targeted 8 balloons. -1. Your score is also 7. You 3 teams are on a tie. Now let's talk about the next task. The clue cards for the next task have already been placed in your cars. So quickly get riding and I will see you at the next location.
Sure.
Guys, safe driving and don't speed more than 50.
Sure.
Sure. All right.
See you guys. I saw some fight there, some tiff between you guys. What happened?